Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to learn how to play Without Me on the ukulele. So let's get started. Alright, so the first chord that we're going to use is an E flat minor. And then we're going to take off the pinky to make an F sharp. Then to a C sharp. And then we're going to play a B. And then we can also add our pinky to play an A flat minor. And we're going to use that in part of the song. So this is basically how you play it. And the ending chord that I use is a B. And then for this one, I'm going to use the A flat minor. And you're going to hear that in the actual song. So the strum pattern is a down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And we'll play it without the chords first to get used to it. Alright, so now let's add in the chords. So this is what you hear right in the beginning of the song. I have the tabs on the screen. You guys can follow along as I play it. So it's 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 4. And then now for the second part of it is 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 2. Then as you get more comfortable with it, you can start working your way up to playing it at the same tempo as the song. And mix it in with the strumming too. Thanks again guys for watching this video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I guess I'll see you guys on another one.